about the different options we have when it comes to your full removable cases here at Rowe Dental Lab. We have a few different options when it comes to dentures that I'd like to deep dive into today to give you a little more insight on really everything we have available. And please remember, here at Rowe, we are a full service lab, so we do more than just dentures, but let's go ahead and get into the details about those removable cases. So I'm going to start with conventional dentures, something that's been around forever that we all know and love. Here at Rowe, we have a value option and a premium option. Really, the difference between the two is going to come down to what the denture base is made of and then what kind of carded teeth we select for those cases. And again, usually offices have their preference, but if there's something specific you're looking for when it comes to carded teeth, please feel free to call in. We can always order it if we don't have it here at Rowe and make sure that you have exactly what you want for that case. Now, on the other hand, we also have digital dentures. Now, when I say that, we have two different options really when it comes to digital dentures. The first is going to be our printed denture options, where we again have a value and then we also have a premium option, depending on what you're looking for. And again, the differences really lie between the denture base and the teeth. So for our value printed option, it's going to be all one piece, 3D printed. So the teeth and the base are all one piece, as opposed to the premium is going to be a printed base with printed teeth that are louted together with the liquid form of the acrylic. Now, those are our two printed digital denture options, but we also have a milled digital denture option. For those of you that haven't heard about it, we have Ivotion here at Rowe, which is an Ivoclar material. It's one milled solution, so the base and the teeth are all one unit. It's great for those more aesthetic digital denture cases if you're looking to utilize it for an overdenture, or maybe you have a patient who has an old denture they know and love and they want something a little more aesthetically pleasing. The Ivotion denture is going to be a great option for that. So again, we can do pretty much anything you want when it comes to your removables, whether you want to go conventional or whether you want to go digital. If you have more questions on our material or would like to talk workflows, please feel free to call into Rowe directly. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we look forward to your next denture case with you.